Hi traders, hope you all doing good. So I plan to post the trade plan videos uh, every day evening from here on, okay, so that people can have some time uh, to go through, okay. uh, so the risk disclaimer here: all information on this video is for educational purpose only and is not intended to provide any financial advice. Any statement about profits or income expressed or implied does not represent a guarantee. With that, let's see what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty and what is likely to happen on both tomorrow going forward. Okay, so basically market Nifty opened a slight gap up, okay, and came down, rejected the zone, and this is where I tweeted that a move towards a spike towards a previous day high is likely and 10,400 is likely to test. Okay, so here it exactly done the same, and this rejection, okay, and this rejection is where I asked, does bulls had exhausted or does bulls had done its job? So let's wait for WAP to breach, which was trading around 10,339 that time. Okay, so that would give the clue, and WAP was not rejected and again it started scaling up, went up, it took support around previous day high and started scaling up again, up with the help of Bank Nifty. Okay, with the help of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty on the other hand was trading inside previous day's high. Once that broken, okay, the short squeeze started happening. Okay, the late shorts get squeezed out. So here morning I mentioned, if this 330 and 350, if this takes out, okay, this VPOC of 10,440, this 11th March VPOC of 10,440 is likely to hit. Okay, and that is what happened here, this zone. Okay, and this is all like extra points. I was expecting a resistance around this zone, okay, around this zone, okay, but it not happened, as the test was happened on the last minute and world markets were going up and showing lot of strength. Okay, and our market closed around day's high. The next reference level on higher side is 13th March small single print zone of this high. Okay, so 10,500 to 520 is the next reference level. As I mentioned, the dominant trend is still up, okay, until unless it doesn't close below 10,100, okay, it is bullish. That is what we mentioned on morning video. Now until unless we don't close below 10,200, okay, the dominant trend is up. There could be some sort of headline resistance here around 10,500 and 520, where again the profit booking will come. Okay, the profit booking will happen. That doesn't mean a short. On Bank Nifty the same case. So it took all the resistance. Okay, now this will be the resistance going forward. Okay, this single print zone which is closer to 20,400 mark. Okay, so that will be the resistance for tomorrow. Okay, and we exactly closed there. Okay, so two things can happen. Okay, if it is a bullish case, okay, market would open marginally higher. Okay, or a big gap up could happen and it would start scaling higher. Okay, to test this VPOC of 22,900 zone going forward. Okay, any bullish case tomorrow will open marginally. I mean, like if it opens around 22,200 or 22,600 or 22,700, it will go and test this VPOC of 22,925 or even 23,000 tomorrow. Okay, in case if this is a resistance, if this is a strong resistance, then we might have a gap down of say like 200 or 250 points tomorrow. Okay, if this is a strong resistance, then we might open somewhere closer to 22,150 or 22,100 mark. Okay, if this is a strong resistance. Okay, that is the opening thought. In case if it breaches 22,000, okay, if it breaches 22,000, then we are likely to hit 21,880 and 21,700 tomorrow. Okay, so 22,000 will be the pivot for tomorrow. Above this it's bullish, below this it's bearish. So you need to keenly watch where we are going to open. Okay, any flat open comes and takes support around 22,200, I will be interested buying this, looking for 22,400 and 500 zone. Okay, in case if it is a gap up, I already said, okay, if it is a gap up around 22,600, okay, or 22,500, then I will be watching how it reacts around 22,400. If it rejects, okay, then on the pullback I will be buying, looking for 22,900 VPOC zone. Okay, the bearish case will happen only if we break 22,000. Okay, if we break 22,000, then we are likely to test 21,880 and 21,750. On Nifty the case remains the same. Okay, I will be watching how price reacts around 10,500 to 515 mark. Okay, so I won't chase any longs here, that I am very keen. Okay, because with the structure formation here, okay, if profit booking happens, it could be big, that is for sure, because this is all like not a healthy structure as in like what we call it as an anomaly. Okay, so in case if 10,400 breaks, okay, I will be shorting this, looking for 10,350 and 10,320 mark. Okay, that will be one trade idea I will be looking for on Nifty. Okay, on bullish case, if 10,400 gets support, okay, then if it shows signs of strength crossing 10,440 On pullback I will be buying looking for 10,480 and 10,500 zone. Okay, so that's it on Nifty and Banknifty. ICICI, okay, so this lot of people, I mean, like trolled, lot of people asked what is the setup. Okay, basically the setup is nothing. Okay, this is where ICICI started falling previously. Okay, this is where a strong resistance been seen in ICICI previously, and yesterday if you see there was a strong rejection here and it closed near day's low. Okay, and today again it rejected that, so I was waiting for price to show some rejection here so that I can enter a short on this break. Okay, keeping a stop loss above this, and it was struggling to break this. Okay, so I moved my stop loss to this zone where it got triggered, and then later it started firing up. Still this will come into my short radar. Okay, I will be watching how price reacts around this zone tomorrow. Okay, 372, 73. If any gap down open, okay, if any gap down open, again it rejects. Okay, because basically I am reading this as a stop loss hunt move. Who all kept stop loss above this resistance mark? Okay, those stop losses all got hunt. If it is a strong real move, then tomorrow it need to open above 380 and it need to start scaling higher, and that way it can go easily to 400 mark. Okay, any case of flat open or gap down open breaking 372, okay, that would interest me to short again looking for 362 and even this time 360 mark. Okay, but I will wait a lot this time. Okay, because as I said, someone asked why you moved your because basically when I was initiating the trade, the stop loss was about 371. When this move happened and when this rejection happened, I just decreased my stop loss to 370 mark. Okay, which got triggered here, and my target was nearly about 360 or 359, where it was a 3-hour setup. Okay, 1:3 setup. And moreover, that's what I want to say. I mean, like, every trade won't go in your favor. Okay, when it goes in your favor, just think how much money you are going to make. Okay, that matters a lot. So with that, I'm ending this episode. Okay, so as always, risk management should be the top priority. Your capital is an asset. Okay, so try to safeguard it. Play only the best setups, leave the rest. Okay, be a spectator if you don't get any good trade setup. Okay, with that, I'm closing this episode. Catch you all on next episode. Bye, good night.